They're here. Before we begin, let's just appreciate this sick packaging that Scott Bilbeck designed on all of the Sky High amplifier boxes. I mean, this thing is just, I'm not sure what more you could ask of an amplifier package other than this, but enough of that, let's dive in. This is also my first time seeing this, or unboxing it. We have the manual and the good stuff. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need this. Maybe. This thing is also not light. I mean, I don't know how this weighs, but not the easiest twisting and bending and stuff. This is the smallest amplifier in the mono block lineup anyway. Okay, boys. Oh, let me turn around for you so you can maybe see it properly. This thing is just absolute tits. This thing is sick. Right off the bat, we get the Sky High logo up in the middle. We get the model number, which is the 3500.1 on both sides. These are like a 4 mil or maybe a 3 mil Allen key. You can actually remove these or remove the bolts and flip the logos here, and here. So if you want to mount the amplifier, you know, like this on the back of your wall, you can. Or if you need to mount it like this, because your power wires are coming in this side, you can just flip these logos so everything will be nice and symmetrical for you. And so that's a really cool option. This is also a stock amplifier. This is how they come when you order them at skyhighcaraudio.com, unless you select custom options. But this is exactly how they come. This is stock, base, however you want to say it. Also, a key feature on all of these Sky High monoblock amplifiers is they are rated at 1 ohm at 13.2 volts instead of 14.4 volts. And they all have a 0.5 ohm warranty. They are 0.5 ohm reactive capable, not just nominal. So reactive meaning you can wire it lower than 0.5, and with box rise or enclosure rise, it'll play at 0.5. Say it's wired at 0.25 nominal, and it rises 2 times, it'll be risen to 0.5, if that makes sense. So at 1 ohm, this Sky High Caraudio 3500 at 13.2 volts will be at 3500 watts. At 14.4 volts, 5300 watts. At half an ohm at 13.2 volts, 4600 watts. And at half an ohm at 14.4 volts, 5300 watts. So this thing's gonna be pushing out some serious power. It's over 5000 watts at half an ohm out of a 3500 watt amplifier. We've had a lot of customers ask about the cutoff voltage of what you can run these amplifiers at. These amplifiers are safe up to 17 volts. Wouldn't go higher than that. 17.1 maybe, but the internal circuit will cut out at right about 17.1. So as long as you're charging at 16.9 and below, gold. Comes standard, obviously, with a plexi backplate. Cut out for the fan, and we get, I don't know if you can see it, maybe I'll zoom in a little bit, but we get a very lightly, not too sketched Sky High logo here on the backplate. Anyway, this amplifier accepts 1 1-aught power and 1 1-aught ground. Something maybe to note is that the grounds are on one side and powers are on one side. So we have power, ground, power. So that makes it really easy. All your black wires can come into one side. All your red wires can come into one side. You're not having to black, red, or, you know, blue, green, yellow, whatever colors you're using. Everything will just be symmetrical. And then on the other side, we have our Tiffany style RCA inputs, our gain, subsonic, phase, low pass. To the right of that, we have our mode, master, slave. We have our remote for our bass knob, more Tiffany style RCAs for the master out or slave in, and 8 gauge speaker terminals, again, positive, negative. And then on the sides of that, which we'll cover in another video, are fan input. We are developing fans that will be able to slide into our heatsink. So say, for example, you have one amplifier here, there'll be fans be able to slide into the heatsink, push-pull system, so they'll be pushing this way and pulling that way, if that makes sense. But we'll go over all that stuff in another video once they become available to you. So if you are looking to grab one of these 3500.1 amplifiers, let's go over the dimension. The length, 15.75 inches, the width, 9.92 inches, and the height, 3.13 inches. Now what's cool about this amplifier and our 3000.4 is they are the exact same footprint. So if you wanted this for your substage, you wanted a 4-channel amplifier for your front stage, have them like back and back, or however you want to mount them, they're going to be identically symmetrical. These are in stock, ready to go today at skyhighcaraudio.com. I'll leave a link to this amplifier along with all of the amplifiers down in the description below. Thank you guys for checking it out. This is the Sky High Caraudio 3500.1. She is a beast. Now, if you want to tuck this thing in and give her a nice little spank.